Music has an undeniable power to move us, to touch our souls, and to transport us to another world. Whether it's strumming a guitar by the campfire or shredding on stage in front of thousands, playing an instrument is a gateway to unleashing your musical magic. When it comes to guitars, there are two main options: electric and acoustic. Each has its own unique qualities and charm, but how do you decide which one is the perfect match for you? In this article, we will explore the differences between electric and acoustic guitars, helping you make an informed decision that suits your musical aspirations. Emotional objective: connecting with your inner musician. Before diving into the technical aspects of both types of guitars, let's tap into the emotional objective that lies at the heart of every musician's journey: connecting with their inner self through music. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player looking for a new instrument, finding one that resonates with your emotions is crucial. Unique rationale: discovering your musical identity. Choosing between electric and acoustic guitars allows you to discover your unique musical identity. Electric guitars offer versatility in terms of sound manipulation and effects while providing endless opportunities for experimentation across various genres like rock, blues, jazz, and metal. On the other hand, acoustic guitars embody simplicity and authenticity. They create intimate moments when played solo or enhance group performances with their warm tones. Acoustic instruments are often associated with folk music but can be adapted across different styles as well. What, why, how? Understanding electric guitars. Electric guitars have revolutionized modern music since their introduction in the mid-20th century. These instruments rely on pickups that convert string vibrations into electrical signals before amplifying them through speakers or headphones. The advantage of electric guitars lies in their ability to produce diverse sounds using effects pedals, amplifiers, and various playing techniques. They offer a wide range of tones, from clean and mellow to heavy distortion. The ability to manipulate sound allows guitarists to experiment with different styles and create their signature sound. What, why, how? Embracing acoustic guitars. Acoustic guitars have a timeless appeal that resonates with many musicians. These instruments produce sound naturally without the need for additional amplification or electronics. They rely on the resonance of the hollow body to project their warm and rich tones. One of the main advantages of acoustic guitars is their portability. No need for cables or power sources. This makes them ideal for jam sessions in nature or impromptu performances anywhere you go. Additionally, acoustic guitars promote fingerpicking techniques that enhance your dexterity and connection with the instrument. Numbers. Concrete takeaways. To help you make an informed decision about which type of guitar suits you best, here are some concrete takeaways. Electric guitars offer versatility in terms of sound manipulation. Acoustic guitars provide simplicity and authenticity. Electric guitars are suited for genres like rock, blues, jazz, and metal. Acoustic guitars excel in folk music but can be adapted across various styles as well. Electric guitars require additional equipment such as amps and effects pedals. Acoustic guitars are portable and don't require external amplification. Expanding on points. Finding your perfect match. When choosing between electric or acoustic guitar, consider your musical preferences first. A. If you're drawn to high-energy genres like rock or metal where intricate solos take center stage, an electric guitar will allow you to explore endless possibilities through its versatile tone-shaping capabilities. B. On the other hand, if you lean towards more intimate settings like singer-songwriter performances or folk jams around a bonfire where storytelling is key, an acoustic guitar will capture those raw emotions and create an authentic connection with your audience. Remember, there's no right or wrong choice. It all comes down to what speaks to you personally as a musician. Conclusion. Choosing between electric and acoustic guitars is a deeply personal decision that depends on your musical aspirations and preferences. Electric guitars offer versatility and the ability to experiment with different sounds, while acoustic guitars provide simplicity, authenticity, and portability. Consider the genres you're drawn to and the emotional connection you seek when making your decision. Ultimately, finding your perfect match will unlock the door to unleashing your musical magic.